If you want something done, ask a busy person, right? I've taken a ton of listings this year, and there are a couple different things that I've seen stand out more than anything else. Now, I'll first explain the difference between marketability and value is that marketability are the things that make the house sell quicker. Value items are the things that make the house sell for more money. Then most of the time when I'm meeting with sellers, they have spent the majority of their budget of upgrading the house or trying to get more for the house or making it market ready, that they've spent all that money on marketability items and want more for the house because of them. I hate to tell you, but here's the thing is a lot of things that make the house really, really pretty are the things that make the house sell really quick. And the things that make the house function really, really well are probably the things that make it worth more money. So when you meet with somebody like myself, we'll first start with those things. What kind of things in the house make it function that any certain buyer is going to really, really pay attention to? And then what are the things that are really, really nice that we want to focus on with photography and marketing remarks, that sort of stuff. I hope this helps a little bit. Call me first before you start doing a bunch of stuff to your house or spending a bunch of money on it. I'm happy to go through it, give you a list, give you a valuation, and really actually give you an entire scale of if you do these things up to this point, here's how much money your house should be worth. It all comes from experience. I've flipped a ton of houses. I hated myself for it too, because I used to spend a lot of money on things that people just don't like. I'd get my feelings hurt, and then it would sell for the exact amount of money that I thought it was going to in the first place, instead of spending all this time and effort and money on the things that I thought somebody was going to absolutely care about. And turns out they didn't care at all. Sometimes it's even a downfall. Hope it helps. Tyler Lopez, thank you.